Tesla stocks want to close the gap. Will it happen or not? In this video, we'll analyze what's happening with Tesla stocks. They are up 4% today. The most important thing in determining where stocks will go is to look at volatility. No one does it, and that's where we'll break it all down. First, we need to add more strikes. Let's look at options volatility and where they are looking. Also, I want to add a smirk to the volatility. It will definitely help us. Tesla's volatility is 46, which is actually pretty good for a stock. Also, I'll definitely open a position based on this. You'll see how to play this. This is how you can play and make money on Tesla stocks using options. So let's get back. What about the strikes? The peak strikes are 200, which is logical. So you're starting to understand how to play this. Next, let's look at the volatility smile. It's even a smirk in volatility. As we can see, it's skewed towards the downside. We'll definitely consider this informing my strategy. The most important thing, friends, let's analyze the 3D in volatility. Honestly, I know Tesla stock pretty well. There's nothing surprising for me here because I've been following it for a long time and made many deals with Tesla. It allows me to earn well through high volatility using options. And I'll definitely show how I'll do it. All trades will be in real time. This is regarding the 3D and volatility. Professionals who understand options, who make money from trading and real money, immediately understand how and what strategy to open. Let's not dwell on this. Let's close this all up. And let's get back to Tesla stocks. In early December, it started to fall. Then on the report, it fell even further with a downward gap. And at the moment, it's trying to close it. Let me tell you my take on the situation. First, I remind you of my philosophy. I don't know and can't predict price movements. Anyone who claims to know where the stock will go is simply lying. I won't torture you with any incomprehensible assumptions here, up or down, because it's pure chance. Absolutely pure chance. So the question is, how to make money on this? Look, I'm starting an experiment on Tesla. I have a similar experiment on SP 500 AMC and Sophie stocks. I'll do the same with Tesla. My task is to outperform Tesla stocks. Everything will happen live. I'll show all the trades absolutely. Under no circumstances should you follow me. Disclaimer, you will definitely lose all your money. I guarantee it. If you don't understand options, never repeat, just watch for logic. The starting price is $10,000. Well, how am I buying them? Yes, there are some fluctuations, but let's assume I bought them at $200 each. So that is, my task is to outperform Tesla stocks. I'll play out this whole strategy through options. I will also gradually add more stocks to achieve position neutrality. I want to emphasize that the task here will be difficult unlike previous experiments because $10,000 for Tesla stocks is very little. And it will be very difficult to build strategies because the stock is expensive. I can't buy 100 shares at $100 each. And I remind you, in options, the most important thing is a lot of 100 shares. If I buy 100 shares of stock, then I have one lot and I can sell it. Or, for example, if I sell an option put, then if it is assigned, I will receive these 100 shares. Naturally, I can't afford that because I only have $10,000. So the task will be interesting. I deliberately took it. I could have taken more like $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, but it wouldn't have been as interesting. The starting point for all my experiments is $10,000. Well, except for the SP 500. Where the starting point will be higher. So let's get back to volatility. What trades am I opening? Again, I don't know where the stocks will go. The question is, how can you open trades if you don't know where the stocks will go? So friends, you can open trades based solely on volatility. Because I already know this stock well, I already have working option strategies, so I'll comfortably open positions. Let's begin. Firstly, it's volatility collection. I'm going to sell some options, option calls, and option puts. In total, I received for this. We can see that we have a real support of $2,500. I fit into $10,000. Again, I remind you not to repeat my actions under any circumstances. Everything happens on virtual accounts. It's just logical play. Again, since the account is virtual, there is little liquidity here. So I'll just open at market. The first order is executed. The second order is also executed. That's how these positions look now. This is just the beginning, my friends, of what I'm going to do next. I plan to open spreads to not influence my margin so much. My plan to open such a spread with such an efficiency profile. Yes, it seems like I'm earning a little here, losing much more. But probability is on my side. My task is right now. During sideways movement, we will earn. In the near future, that is for the near term. The main strategies will be built for a longer period of time. Based on volatility, I choose May 17th in 81 days. After long deliberation, I decided not to open anything because it violates the rule again. The logic of investing is that you can't open many deals at once. I've already opened several deals. That's enough for now. I'll open more after tomorrow. But with this moment, it will be retrading. I don't advise anyone to do this. In conclusion, let's look at the open positions. I sold calls. I'm recording everything in my spreadsheet. Not forgetting about commissions. That's all for now. Don't rush. I'll gradually open positions on Tesla because it can close the gap and grow even higher. No one knows where it will grow. higher, so it all makes sense. No, it's very risky to gamble now. Again, I'll combine strategies. On the profit I receive, I'll gradually buy Tesla stocks. I also want to say that you can watch the video of how I outperform AMC stock. There is already a very good profit. The same will be for Tesla. Good luck to everyone.